What's your first instinct when you walk into someone's house with a newborn baby? Mine was to tiptoe around like I was robbing the place, and then just to whisper, "Hey, how are you? Where's the baby? Oh my God, look at the baby. He's so cute." Don't do that. This tip was passed down from the elders, the nursery nurses. These are trained professionals. They know what they're doing. They pass this information down and ended up in my hands, and I want to share it with you. When you bring a newborn baby home, keep at a steady volume that you use every day. Whether it's watching TV, talking to your spouse, cleaning dishes, cooking, the doorbell ringing, friends and family when they come to see your newborn, just have normal conversation with them at a normal volume. Don't scream and, have a rock concert going on, but keep it at normal volume because your baby will get used to that noise. Because when you put your child to sleep, whether it be for a nap or at the end of the day for bedtime, you will be able to continue on with your day by cooking or cleaning dishes or having the doorbell ring by the mailman coming and bringing you a package. And your baby will be used to that. So your baby won't wake up as much from all the commotion. If you start off being very quiet and tiptoeing around the house, whispering, shh, not doing all these things, your baby's gonna get used to the silence. And then when the doorbell rings, baby's gonna wake up. And then when you're trying to have a conversation with somebody, whether it's your spouse or friends or whoever, even on the phone, you're gonna speak at a normal volume, baby's gonna wake up. So the best tip, just when you bring a child home, keep it at a normal volume. It might seem like a silly tip, but I'm hoping it helps some of you because my first instinct was, gotta be quiet, there's a baby in the house. It's nice to be able to have the phone ring or the doorbell go off or the microwave go off or just to have a conversation with somebody and not worry about like, oh, did that wake the baby? So to end this day, remember, it's not a library. Don't be quiet. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you have any parenting tips or tricks of your own, leave them in a comment down below. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time.